Whoa. Hey, Nori. Hey, Lexi. Yeah, shit, sorry, I didn't leave you. I didn't leave you in a strange country.
Hey, oh, well, she's been looking for you the whole time.
Oh, yeah, she's getting seen out, yeah.
We enjoyed a little sleep in before heading to Green's pool, where dogs are not allowed on the beach. What's Lexi doing at the moment?
Barking.
Yeah. I don't know if you can make that out here. She's right there. We've parked as far away as we could here. Because we've just got to go to a beach that she's not going to be able to get into. And she's barking like a little demon. What are we going to do with Lexi, huh? Next to Green's pool is Elephant Rocks, which is a stunning rock formation that resembles a herd of elephants playing in the water. If you follow the stairs down from Elephant Rocks, you can enter the secret Elephant Cove.
Ooh, nice little cozy cave. Not quite a cave. I don't know what you call this little inlet.
We arrived late morning, so the water level to cross into Elephant Cove was quite high, especially for little legs. I highly recommend you come early to avoid this.
Take your pants up. Take your pants up right there, guys.
Yeah. Maybe a bit higher. Over your knee. I'm with it anyway.
I would always do it. I can seaweed already. Oh no, my pants again wet.
It's a long way into it.
You guys got it.
No, I don't
Oh,
want
she's under.
Stand up here.
It's okay. Keep going, keep going.
We're wet now.
Yeah, we're wet.
Slippery.
I have amphibious shorts. Got no problem back here. Ooh. Oh.
This is really bad, Elliot.
Look at that. There you go.
I'm slipping.
No, let's go back.
Let's go back. Let's go back. It's scaring me. It's scaring me.
We drove to nearby Peaceful Bay, where we got some fish and chips for lunch and enjoyed a drive along the beach. The Denmark Good Food Factory. Oh, they've got peacocks at the front door here. Which are the peacocks? This fella. We couldn't film much because it was so busy, but they've got a store selling handmade goods like toffee, chocolate, sauces and much more. A burger and cider bar, gelato van and a playground for kids. This is at Bartholomews Meadery. Elliot got some honeycomb and chocolate ice cream served in this delightful little box. The last stop was the Denmark Chocolate Company, where Haven hoped to finally find some chocolate ice cream. There's lovely like little mazes through here.
Turn your head to the left and part your lips for the best effect.
You've got a lovely little house around here. Oh, whoa! There's a little wall mama. Beautiful. These trees here are beautiful too. Oh, there you are. Kind of glad I got a mask on.
Snake has teeth down.
Okay, and a little house. I'm going to go check it out inside because what are you going to get? What are you desperate for right now?
Ice cream.
What flavour?
Chocolate and vanilla.
We have not been able to get it, but we're working on it. We finally got Haven some chocolate ice cream in town at the Denmark Gelato Cove.
Haven, you're going quick. Hey, Speedy Gonzalez. Speedy Gonzalez.
It's not a way!
I know it's not, Bubbles. I'm just filming you.
We start the day at Lights Beach.
No, Lexi, don't go down there.
Lots of seaweed. Lots of it. That's alright, we can go around it. We're gonna go to the island. Adventure Island. There's a shallow point there and we're gonna go to the rocks. Not here, we gotta go up, down, and around on the beach, through some seaweed, and then get over there.
There's so much seaweed. Snag.
Nice mom up there. Alright, we gotta do a dodgy through here. On the sand. Ready? There you go, nice. Oh, here comes, you don't want to get wet. You see a whip? That one's gonna be okay. Oh, you're alright. Oh, you're alright. Whoa!
I got wet that time on my pants. Oh.
There's a big one, I'll pull you up.
Pull me up. Pull me up.
Oh. Alright.
Oh no, there's a big one coming.
Is it a big one?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, there we go. This will be easier. Daddy will just slowly saunter over there. Look at that. We'll make it. We'll make it to the island. Oh, where's Lexi?
Lexi?
Oh, there she is. Lexi's abandoned us. She's lost sight of us.
Okay, put me down.
Oh, we made it.
Oh, put me down. I can get
It's
to
killing
it.
my foot.
Yay, I made it!
How much do you like this spot, Haven? Yeah, double thumbs up. Oh wait, no, Caesar says Caesar's confused. No, we don't know. We're sideways today.
From Lights Beach, we headed to Boston Brewery for lunch, which is just on the outskirts of the Denmark township. If you're in the area, definitely check this place out. So this Boston brewery here. And all sorts of playground. The first thing Haven wanted to go to, of course, is this jump pad. She's a little jumping pound. So beautiful here though.
I'm just enjoying this beautiful pork bite in a Thai kind of sweet sauce. And these two flies decided to just jump in the bowl and start cooking. Absolute sex mess. That's what's going on here. So, sex mess update. I think the female is absolutely destroyed and left in the sticky mess after this guy over here had his way. The pork bellies still will survive because I'm going to scoop them out with some napkins. But damn, that was just a nasty incident. Nasty.
Beautiful. Oh, funny guy. You know we're not the only ones on here.
Oh.
So, you got me out of that though.
It's not like it's a treetop walker.
Of course. It wouldn't be the human misbehaving at all. We're having a little wander through where the canal meets up with the beach area. And as you hear Wingy Bum behind me, we kicked her out, making her walk, because it's a lot easier getting through this track without her extra weight. But it's so peaceful through here, beautiful. I reckon it's going to be a bit crazy by the time we get to the beach. So, okay. Look at the water, is just gorgeous. That road along there is where we go back to where we're staying. Just going to come around here, and you can see where this channel meets up with the beach down here. We're a wet passenger. Hold on to your hat. Yeah, you can feel the breeze. As soon as you get around here from the beach, it's a bit crazy. See.
Wow, look at that, Haven. You can swim. I know for a fact you can swim all the way over there.
Now, how much fun are you doing, Mum?
I'm having lots of fun. It's very windy here, but I'm having lots of fun. We're having a really good holiday, aren't we?
I'm having fun too. How much fun are you having, Daddy?
Oh, I'm having a blast. Just relaxing.
He's having so much fun. How much fun are you having, Brown?
Are you recording? You are. Oh, having lots of fun. The drone's having fun too as well. It's getting that aerial shot.
Aren't we, Mommy? Oh, Lexi! Hi, Lexi! How much?
She's been swimming just now.
Yeah, she's been swimming. We're just chilling out here. It's a beautiful place. We met up with some people over there. And we're Here's a beautiful ocean.
My turn?
Turn left. There you go. Oh, turning radius is alright. We got a hill. Is there brakes on it?
Yeah, it's called a hill.
Oh, keep pedaling.
I
Pedal
can't.
hard.
Go. Sharks and little broggies.
Hello.
Hello. Just cruising the streets of the caravan park.
Someone else has a pedal car.
So how are you feeling?
Oh,
How's your day
that's
been
buggered.
going?
Yeah, good, except for my foot. Need to cut it off, get a new one. Oh. Other than that, yeah, that's about it. That's all I gotta say about that.
But oh my god, we're just looking at this back area, which is all unpowered sites. You just basically pick where you want to go, and
Really good shade, nice trees.
beautiful shade. Yeah, we'd need to get a solar blanket though.
I don't think they work very well here.
Oh,
Why don't
yeah,
you
it's
say
punchy
please,
face.
David?
Punchy face. Hey,
Keep
crunchy
pedaling,
face.
keep pedaling.
She's interfering with the dog line.
Watch out, Lexi.
It's a little walk of shame.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. But they have trophies. They have trophies.
Okay, put your chest down, I can see.